From Boulder Falls at Highway 119 all the way to 55th Street.
Here's Chief Meteorologist Dave Aguilera. Dave, we are on a first alert weather day.
We are indeed, yeah. And that high water typically this time of year, it does get high, but we had so much snow this winter that it's all melting now, and that's causing some problems out there. Other problems we have are with the thunderstorms that are firing up. First alert weather day today and tomorrow. I think tomorrow might be a worse day than what we got going on today. One lonely thunderstorm out there just outside of Lyman, and it is a severe storm. And until 6:30, we've got a severe thunderstorm warning on that guy. Up to 1-inch diameter hail. There's last chance. Lyman is further south of there, but right in the center of there, we've already had a report of 1-inch diameter hail in the Thurman area there. Spotter on the ground measuring that. Now check this out. A lot of these storms that we got going on today are very high base. When we have these, a lot of cold air drops out of the bottom of these. So this one is sending a big gust of wind back towards the Denver metro area. Now, earlier, we had one come out of Wyoming that boosted the wind up to 51-mile-per-hour gusts in Lone Tree and also 61-mile-per-hour gusts in Centennial out of that. And now we've got another surge of wind coming in on the east side of town, anywhere from 30 to nearly 40-mile-per-hour. DIA right now has a 38-mile-per-hour wind gust, and it's just these high-base storms. Not a lot of rain or hail out of them, but the wind is just wreaking havoc this afternoon. Now, we do have some light rain and some thunderstorms down around the Four Corners area. That's on the top of the big plume that we're expecting to roll in tomorrow with this cutoff low, which is moving in on Arizona right now. Now, with that added moisture in the heat of the day and a little bit of an upslope, we are going to get some big thunderstorms firing up from the mountains out over the eastern plains during the afternoon tomorrow. So it's going to get cooler and it's going to get wetter around here, and we might even see some hail out of this. So we start the day tomorrow after tonight's storms move out with partly sunny skies here. Already raining and some storms out there on the western side of the map, and then by afternoon here come the thunderstorms. I think anytime after 2 o'clock we could see some severe storms from our front range foothills and mountains all the way out over the eastern plains into the afternoon and the early part of the evening tomorrow. So for that reason, there's a slight risk of severe weather in the Denver metro area and a marginal risk in the foothills all the way up into the mountains. Even Winter Park could have large hail, winds, and heavy rain going on, and that extends out over the eastern plains. So all of eastern Colorado tomorrow could have severe weather, and about Fort Morgan, Lyman, Burlington, into Sterling. This area up here, we might even see a few tornadoes pop in some of those areas. So a mild night across the state tonight. Tomorrow, a little cooler for almost everybody. Less hot, I should say, in the eastern plains. About 85 in Thornton, Littleton about 86, and about 85 in Centennial. So out at the airport, I think 83 will be the high with that first alert weather day. Renaissance Festival on Saturday, 91 degrees here in Denver with a slight chance, but down there I think it'll be about 85 on Saturday with mostly sunny skies, early afternoon thunderstorms, and then sunny and warmer 91 on Sunday with just a slight chance. And then Father's Day, we're looking at 95 for you dads on Sunday with just another slight chance of a late day thunderstorm.
All right, Dave, thank you so much. Time to talk to Romy about sports and the Broncos. They've been doing pretty decent.